Hello, Evie Lovelies. Welcome to Air Varieties Fashion Class 2023 for beginners and advanced students. Today I'm going to show you the super easy way of fixing an invisible or a concealed zipper. To fix an invisible zipper or a concealed zip. So when we say conceal, this is a concealed zip, and this is what affects on this dress, and you can't see anything. Yeah, when I open it, I've lined it, and this is how it looks. Yeah, so this is what we are going to learn. So grab your popcorn and let's get started. So in fixing the invisible zipper, what do you need? We need the invisible zip or the concealed zip. We need a cutter, we need a screwdriver, and we need a foot presser. Yes, this presser foot or zipper foot. This is the invisible zipper foot for this machine. Yes, various machines has their own type, but the machine I'm going to use has this one. So it comes in two. Yes, one is for the left side and the other one is for the right side. So as you can see, I have the right and the left. Yes, so this is what we are going to use to fix it. Then I've already talked about the screwdriver, and then you have your pieces or your dress. This is a sample I've cut. I use a liner, and after cutting, normally my zip lines are always 1 inch. If I'm to pop up the hip, then some will remain half, some will remain 1 inch. I've shown you in my earlier video. So what I did is I measured my 1 inch, and this is for beginners as well as those who are already in the job. And so for you to have that super or professional kind of fixing it, you measure 1 inch and rule a straight line and pin. Then we'll get to the machine. This one is supposed to be my lining. Yes, so I will be able to show you that. Thank you. So right now, I'm going to loosen up this foot. I'm loosening it with my screwdriver. Then that is it. Then right now, I'm going to fix it with this. And this is the left, the right side of the zipper foot or foot presser for the zip. Okay. I have to close it back, and my type of machine, it has to fit me. Yeah. Having it done, I'll get to my dress. This is just a sample, and for you to have that easy, super easy way, I want to also show you using the thread color. It's not a matching color, but for you to see it's more clearer. So right now I'm going to sew it gathers. I put the machine on the largest system. I'm supposed to use the presser foot to do it, but because I've already removed it, that's why I'm using the zipper foot. So one is a liner and the other one is the actual dress. Okay. So that's it. So what next? I'm going to iron it. So I will press the seam open. So after finishing ironing, I'm now going to remove this temporal stitch. I'll remove it. And the easiest way to remove it is that you turn to the back and you pull it out. Here, and I'm going to press it again using the iron. So the reason why I do this, or this method is so good for you and super easy, because you get this line and you'll be able to work on. So let's continue. So remember, we have the actual fabric and then the liner. So I'm using this as the fabric and this is the liner. Good. So what do we do? I'll use this colored invisible zip so that you can see it well. So what you have to do is you place it right at the bottom. If you see, before you start using it, open it and see whether it will not stuck. Then when you watch critically, you see that this is where it starts. So you are going to put it right here and then you turn it this way and open it. So whilst you open it, you are going to put it right on the line that I've shown on the fabric, and this is going to make it easier for you. And then we will pin. Yeah. So I'm putting it right on the line. And I'll pin. Just ensure it's on the line. Okay? pin, so this is what we got. We have finished. Ensure that it's on the line, and that is what is going to help. So one of the tricks is that you ensure you press each stitch of whatever you are sewing. So right now I'm going to close it to ensure everything is intact, and then I'll bring this here, I'll open it, and then if you are not careful, you do something, and then after sewing you have to unpick it. So ensure that you place it on it. You can even pin it as a beginner like this, and then you open the zipper, and then you are coming here to put it this way and pin, just like we did at the other end. So we are going to use our straight line that we've got in here. Ensure that you put it on it, pin, ensure it's on the line, pin, just make sure it's on the line, pin. So what I'm going to do next, that I've forgotten that you are beginning, I want to measure it. So from down to up, I'm going to end it at 4 inches. I've made a line, and that will be easy for us to know where we are stopping. So this one too, you measure, and then you get your 4 here. That's so before you even start, just measure your 4 inches depending on where you want your zip to end. So that's it. Okay, so that's where it ends. Okay, so this is what I've gotten after fixing. I will go get back to the machine and work with it. I'll have to open it. I hope you are seeing it. So I'm going to open the zipper. You make sure you open it, and then you see a line there, so you sew exactly on the line. So we are going to open and stitch. Open and stitch. Open and round the stitch. Because of you, I'm doing it slowly so that you can get it right. Open, open and stitch. So we've reached where the 4 inches has ended. So this is what we've gotten. You have to open it, and then you see that straight line there, and that is what you are going to use a rounded stitch on. Hope you have seen it clearly. Now let's move to the next one. So we are starting with the next one. I don't want to change the zipper foot, so I'm going to start right from where the 4 inches ends. Yes, and this way it ends. So I'm going to start from there, and I've turned everything. This one I sewed it from top. I don't want to waste time loosening anything and putting the dresser foot there. So this is what I'm doing right now. You don't want to leave any thread in your work. As soon as you finish, you cut them off. It makes the work neater and more professional. So now I will remove the rest of the pin inside. Yeah. So right now, so I'll have to close it. And voila. You see that though the zip I've used is a different color, it's not showing. So I always love to iron. I'll go back and iron everything. So Lovelies, yes, you can see our concealed or invisible zip hidden there. So this is what we got. Wow, so right now we want to, I don't want to make the video long, and then in our next video we will continue. So if you like this video, give it a thumbs up. Please subscribe to our channel because it means a lot, and we love you all. I thank all the returning subscribers. Thank you for choosing this channel, and until we see you in our next video, we say bye.